Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a new tool or an add-on to an existing tool. I'm going to show you what that's all about. We'll do the unpacking. First, let me show you what tool we're talking about. So let's put this up and I'll show you. So as you might already know, it is a bandsaw. It is an inexpensive one. I purchased it on Amazon during COVID. I did have a portable one or a battery operated one at DeWalt. Unfortunately, it did not last long. So what I did during COVID is I bought this thing. It's inexpensive. The reason I bought this one is that my DeWalt blades actually fit on it. Thing is that in the shop I don't have a bandsaw or a bandsaw on a stand, so they make this thing, and this is a stand for it. Now mixed reviews on it, but it was also inexpensive. It was $100, which I purchased with my own money. I didn't get it gifted or promo to me, but what we're going to do is open this thing up and let's see how it works. Hang in, guys, and we'll get this box open. All right, so let's see. Let's open this up. Actually, what we'll do is get this out of the way for now, and then we'll bring it back onto the table once we're ready to figure out how this thing mounts. There. Let's see what this thing's all about. Oh, there's the instruction manual. Let's pull this out here. Allen keys and some screws. So guys, at first glance, this thing looks pretty good. Let's take this bag out of here. Oh, look at that. Gauge on it. We have a 0. Nice heavy duty clamp. Some Allen keys. Looks pretty straightforward. Seems to be built pretty good. It's got rubber feet. Not bad, guys. Not bad looking. Well, let's see how accurate this thing sits on there. What do we got? We've got Allen keys. So it comes with the Allen screws. So we have to put Loctite on this. No, it's got lock washers on it. Oh, that's pretty straightforward. Okay, so let's pull this thing out and let's see if it lines up. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this thing's already got, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got the 3 screws for mounting. So from my understanding, this thing goes on like so. Well, that's pretty good. Okay, got one in there. give this a little snug here. I'll switch it over so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. Well, there it is. So there's the two Allen keys on that. And this one is a little okay. Not bad. Nice and snug. Okay guys, so I'm going to get you a closer look on exactly how that's mounted. So they were pre-tapped or drilled already into the actual saw, so it is designed for that. It was a pretty easy install to get it put in. Now this unit here, your fence has actually got a quick release, which is really good. So you take the quick release, move it back, put it into place, change the angle on it, put it into place, push down the lever, and then she'll tighten up and hold on. And then again, it's got a quick release. You just pop it up, loosen it, and pop it up, like so. Loosen it up, pop it up, and move it back. What I did is I ran the cable through the back handle, okay, and plugged it into our station there. So let's get a piece of some square pipe and see what the cut is, and we'll take a look at the square of the cut. So let's try it out. So guys, I got some 2-inch tube. Now the depth of this is up to 5 inches from what I can remember. But this is 2 inches, 125 wall, so it's pretty thick. So let's give her a shot and let's see how she does. Not bad. Let's just make sure she's lined up. She's at 0. Okay. Let's try that again. Let's see. Cut that end off. Let's cut this end off because it's messed up. Nice clean cut, guys. Not too much of a burr. Let's try it again. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to put the square up against it, and guys, we're bang on. Perfect. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she's looking pretty good. So that's not a bad cut. Now, in all fairness, that blade has been on there for a while and it's been worked quite a bit. So it actually did that with some ease, and that's a cut off. And so both sides, it's pretty warm. So not bad at all. So guys, I think that's going to come in handy. I think that's a win. So guys, there we go. You know, I'm impressed. You know, for an inexpensive stand, I mean, it doesn't have an automatic engage or release, but you know, what do you want for $100, guys? It does actually pretty good. I did a couple of cuts with it, and it's some pretty thick material. Those are our angles in there. Okay, so that goes all the way up to 45 degrees, which is awesome. And for an inexpensive stand, it's actually built quite well. I'm hoping that this is going to help out in the shop, make life a little easier. Guys, I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out.